Visiting the railroad grade was more than just a field trip for me. It was really walking in the historical steps of my own family. To be able to see what the sounds were, to see what the sights were, to hear the silence that was out there, to feel the dry air, to walk in the same path that my grandfather, my great-great-grandfather may have walked and probably did walk. To see how hard the ground was, how harsh the environment was, to see how desolate it was was such an emotional connection. Even now, thinking about it, I'm getting emotional because it's tangible, it's real. It's not just stories passed down. These are real human beings